Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today I'm gonna try out the best dish I had on our recent trip to Malaysia. These are fish balls. We tried two varieties of it. One was with the fish fillet and one was with octopus. Both tasted really good and I want to try making the one with fish fillet. So here we go. Heat some water in a pan and add in the fish pieces and boil the water until the fish is completely cooked. You can use only the fish fillet, but here I've used the fish pieces which has little bone. So after cooking, you need to carefully remove all the bones from the fish. Now into this, let's add all other ingredients. Here I'm adding some cornflour, baking powder, some sugar and some salt, some garlic pods, chopped onion. Add little bit of water and grind it in a blender. Now this is the consistency you need. After grinding, if you find the mixture a bit thick, you can add more water, or if you find it more loose, you can add more corn flour. Now heat some oil in a pan. Now add this batter into the oil little by little. After few seconds, flip it. As we have added some baking powder, it will get a little puffed up. Once it turns golden brown color, take it out. Now fry all the fish balls in the same manner. And you don't have to fry this for a longer time because we have already cooked the fish in the beginning. In Malaysia, they serve this with two different types of dip. One peanut sweet dip and one spicy soy sauce dip. So I decided to make the spicy one. So into a pan, add some water. Add soy sauce, red chili sauce, and mix it. Add in some sugar and vinegar. And to get the sauce a bit thicker, I'm adding some corn flour. So make the slurry first and then add it into the sauce. After adding, bring the sauce into a boil. Then add in chopped onion and chopped garlic and cook this till it becomes thick. Now our fish balls and sauce is ready. Now let me show you how they serve it. Take a skewer and insert 3 fish balls into it. And they serve the fish balls like this. These fish balls are really crispy and tasty. It doesn't have any spices at all, so kids gonna really enjoy it. So you can take each skewer, dip each ball in sauce and have it. So do try out this recipe and give this video a big thumbs up. Share your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google+, and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.